Hi, today I will be talking about conditional Excel column mapping. This video was inspired by the forum post from one of our customers. You will find the link in the video description. Before I start, can I ask you to like this video and subscribe to our channel? Here is a question from our customer. So I want to transform the data in the following way. Read the column from the reader input. When the field value is not null, then load the data into designated writer field. When the value is null or empty string, then load the data from another input field. Have created Excel file example. So basically what we are trying to do here, when F1 is empty, we want to populate it from field 2. Let's start from creating the transformation. Let's call it custom Excel mapping. We don't need the validator, I'm not to validate. Setting up reader parameters, so source type is Excel, connection name is source, selecting Excel file, setting up writer parameters, again the connection type is Excel file, connection name is target, let's call file name result, data, create new file with header. So we are now ready to do the mapping. Just double click on transformer. To add the function if null. Mapping F2 to F2. Another mapping. So when F1 is not null, it will go into F1 field. And when it is null, it will read F2 field. Let's check. Just press this button. Okay, we can see A here. And when we click on this row, we should see 2. Okay, it's working as expected. So mapping is completed. Let's run it. And check the result. Here's our data. So that was easy. Thank you for your time, and I hope to see you watching next video. Bye.